Hello and welcome to Maya's Sloppy Kitchen. I've recently had a Banoffee pie for the first time and it was love at first sight, so I've decided to make it myself, but try to make it as cupcakes and not a regular pie. And it turned out really nice. If you want to see how to do it, please keep on watching! To make Banoffee cupcakes, you're going to need 100 grams of cracker crumbs. You can use any cracker, I'm using Leibniz. 45 grams of granulated sugar, 60 grams of melted butter. You'll need a can of dulce de leche, 2 ripe bananas, 250 grams of whipping cream, and of course a muffin tray lined with 12 cups. One of the main ingredients of the Banoffee pie is dulce de leche, so if you can find it in a can, then great, but if you can't find it, then what you can use is sweetened condensed milk, and this is what I have here. So this is just a condensed milk which has been sweetened, and I'm going to turn it into dulce de leche by cooking it, but I won't be opening it. What I will do is just put it in a saucepan like this one and then cover it with water. I'll cook it for around 2.5 hours or so. Let me just remove the label first so it doesn't make a mess. Alright, so what I will do is put it in a saucepan and then pour enough water to submerge it completely. The water level must never come beneath the top of the can because it may explode, or so I've heard. And after an hour and 15 minutes, what I will do is, well, of course I'll be there just to add water as it keeps evaporating, but in 1 hour and 15 minutes I'm going to turn it so that the other side of the can is on top. And then I will continue boiling it for another hour and 15 minutes. Here you can see what dulce de leche looks like now, actually how the sweetened condensed milk that we used turned into this beautiful caramel dulce de leche. And yeah, I boiled it for 2.5 hours in total and it turned out great. To make the crust, I'm going to place these cracker crumbs. I've already ground them using a food processor in a bowl, so I have 100 grams here. And I'm going to add sugar, 45 grams of granulated sugar, and to this I'm just going to add 60 grams of melted butter. It has to be completely melted, as you can see, and I will just stir it a little bit. So it has to look something like this. It has to sort of thicken when you press it with a spatula so that you can press it nicely into the cups. So let's do that. So I will use a spoon now to press the batter into the cups, filling it up to 1/3 of the cup and then just pressing it like this. You can use a spoon or you can use your fingers. I turned my oven on to 150 degrees Celsius and then we are going to bake these for just 10 minutes. Here is my muffin tray with the cups filled with cracker crust, and here is my dulce de leche, which I heated up just a little bit in order to break all the clumps that were inside. Now it's very nice and smooth, and I'm going to fill the cups maybe up until, let's say, 1/2 of the cup. Here I have some chopped banana and I'm going to place it on top of dulce de leche, perhaps, I don't know, 3 or 4 slices per cup, let's see. All I have to do now is to cover this with whipped cream. I'm going to make the whipped cream now. So in the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm adding 250 ml of whipping cream, nice and chilled, to which I'll add around 15 grams of confectioner's sugar, powdered sugar, whatever you have, and a little bit of vanilla. So I'm going to add a splash, maybe a bit more than half a teaspoon of vanilla. I think you cannot go wrong with vanilla. So I am going to start whisking it, and I'll be mixing this for around 3-4 minutes until stiff peaks start to form. So you can see the whipping cream is now whipped cream. It's nice and steady and it's quite thick, so I think that it'll be easy to pipe. Nevertheless, I'm going to put it in the fridge for a little bit because once it's cold, it's going to become even thicker and make my life easier. So the bananas did go a little bit dark, but we are going to cover them in whipped cream so nobody will know. And this is the whipped cream. It was in the fridge for around 20 minutes. And I put it in a piping bag. I don't really plan to make the show out of this. Like, I don't really want to pipe them as I would pipe cupcakes with buttercream, for example, but I still want to give it some shape. So you can also just smudge the whipping cream on top of the bananas. That's also fine. Do whatever you want. Ta-da! The cupcakes are ready. Some turned out really nice, like this one and this one. Some are a little bit funny because I was running out of whipped cream since I put a ton here. But overall, I would say they look great, and I am just going to keep this in the fridge for 2-3 hours before I serve it. So here are the Banoffee cupcakes. They are delicious and a perfect combo of crunchy cracker crust, smooth dulce de leche, sweet bananas, and light and refreshing whipped cream. If you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye!